So hello friends, we are on 19th characteristics of successful people. So that is most of the successful people, if you see their characteristics, they not only they like the changes, they are determined, they will take the right approach, they go beyond that. Basically, they will challenge the traditional ideas, traditional thinking. Take example of Tata, take example of Reliance, Mahindra, Adani. At the very beginning, they have challenged the traditional idea, the traditional way of thinking, the traditional way of processing something. They have challenged and they have changed that particular tradition itself. So this is the one unique characteristics of successful people, and they go beyond the change, and they love doing this not just for the sake of the change, but they know that once they will challenge the traditional way of thinking, they will bring out some change which will make a better environment, which will generate a good product or services. And that is the reason they love to do that. And while doing that, in this process they will become successful, because this will solve the problem of many people, which they might be thinking in all old traditional way. But with this change, this particular characteristics, they are getting the new things, and the people who are bringing this change will become successful. So thank you friends, I will come with another characteristics. Till then, bye.